New Brighton Ford. Quality selection, exceptional customer service, and a great price too. Let the friendly professionals at New Brighton Ford help you get into your next vehicle today.
With powerful performance, responsive handling, and a spacious interior, the Ford Taurus is the full-size sedan experience you're looking for. Enjoy an expertly crafted interior, fingertip controls, and an impressively responsive powertrain. Choose from 4 models, starting with the SE and moving through the legendary SHO. The standard 3.5-liter V6 engine delivers respectable power and gas mileage. Get even better mileage with the 2-liter EcoBoost inline-4, or go for the turbocharged power of the SHO's EcoBoost V6. Inside, soft touch surfaces welcome you. Leather-trimmed heated and cooled power front seats are available. Keep your eyes on the road and stay connected at the same time with voice-activated sync. Smart safety technologies add peace of mind, like a standard rear-view camera and available blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert. Drive assured, your Taurus is always watching out for you. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and accessories, and build a Taurus that's all yours. The Ford Taurus, full-size comfort and performance.
At New Brighton Ford, you'll never pay too much, and we'll do everything we can to make sure you drive away in the vehicle that's right for you. If it's service, selection, and value you're after, then New Brighton Ford is the place to shop. Stop in today. We're easy to find at the intersection of Highway 694 and Silver Lake Road in New Brighton. It's where our customers send their family and friends.